Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sherelle, and this is actually my first ever YouTube video that I'm making, so I'm pretty excited, pretty nervous. But let's get into it. Today, I am going to be reviewing the new Coach Quilted Tabby 26 in the maple color. Now guys, this bag has not been released yet with Coach. I originally saw this bag on TikTok, saw the color was gorgeous, and I had to get it. So I think I went on Neiman Marcus website and did a pre-order of the 20, and that I knew that size was too small, but I went ahead and did it anyways. But I found a site called 24s.com, went on there and saw they had the bag in the size 26, so I ordered it, guys. It came in 2 days, and here it is, guys. I'm so excited. So the shipping was super fast. I had never heard of this site before, so I was a little nervous, but did some research. This is super cute, and you can see how the box packaging was really good. And here it is, guys. Oh my goodness, this bag. It is something serious. Here it is, guys. Oh my good. I haven't even taken this stuff off. This bag is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh. Yes. It is gorgeous, guys. This color, I cannot wait to wear this for the fall, for the winter. When I saw this color, this chocolate, I had to have it. So here it is, size 26. I actually have this Quilted Tabby in 5 other colors: the black, the chalk, the pink, the olive, and then this. So I'm addicted to these bags, guys. But I will let me see. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna style this baby too. The inside, you know, this leather, genuine Napa leather, of course. The Tabby bag, you can see the detail, but this is just so gorgeous. This color, I instantly fell in love with it. And I want to shout out the website again, 24s.com. Again, I had never heard of the site. Went on there, and they got me right. They got me right. I'm gonna take this off, so you can see that beautiful gold chain. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. All right, guys, here she is. She's so beautiful. That beautiful chocolate. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear this bag out. I am gonna wear this bag out. You hear me? This is too cute. I think this is like my favorite color that I have this in. This is my favorite color. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna style this. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna rock this. This is beautiful. All right, guys. You see me about to do a little model session for you guys. Y'all gonna see me out in the streets with the bag. So you see I can wear it this way. Both straps up. Wear it down. Yes, she's given. Do a little crossbody action. Oh, super cute, super cute. Can y'all tell I'm in love with this bag? Can you tell? Can you tell that this is my new baby? Yes.